Hello guys. Yoga is one of the best solutions for stress relief. As we all know, yoga allows us to reach the goal of life, that is, to live worthily. A few minutes of yoga daily can be a great way to get rid of stress, both in body and mind. Yoga postures, pranayam, and meditation are effective techniques to stress release. So, today in this session, we are going to discuss some important yogasanas which helps you to relax and manage stress and anxiety. Okay, so let's get started. Number 1 is Salamba Bhujangasana. Lie flat on your stomach. Place your elbows under your shoulders. Then begin to lift your chest. Draw your shoulders down your back and press your forearms down. Look forward and allow your chin to drop slightly. Hold the pose for some time. A number of studies have shown that yoga may help reduce stress and anxiety. It can also enhance your mood and overall sense of well-being. Relax and get ready for the next asana. Number 2 is Ustra Asana. Kneel on the floor. Keeping the thighs and feet together, toes pointing back and resting on the floor. Rest the palms on the hips. Stretch the thighs, curve the spine back and extend the ribs. Exhale. Place the right palm over the right heel and the left palm over the left heel. If possible, place the palms on the soles of the feet. Press the feet with the palms, throw the head back and push the spine towards the thighs, which should be kept perpendicular to the floor. Remain in this position for about half a minute with normal and even breathing. People with dropping shoulders and hunched backs will benefit by this asana. The whole spine is stretched back and is toned. This pose can be tried conveniently by the elderly and even by persons with spinal injury. Release the hands one by one. Rest them on hips and then sit on the floor and relax. And get ready for the next asana. Number 3 is Uttana Asana. Stand in Tadasana. Keep the knees tight. Exhale. Bend forward and place the fingers on the floor. Then place the palms on the floor by the side of the feet, behind the heels. Do not bend the legs at the knees. Try to hold the head up and stretch the spine. Move the hips a little forward towards the head so as to bring the legs perpendicular to the floor. Remain in this pose and take few breaths. Exhale. Move the trunk closer to the legs and rest the head on the knees. Do not slacken the grip at the knees, but pull the kneecaps well up. Hold the pose for a minute with deep and even breathing. This asana cures stomach pain and tones the liver, spleen and the kidneys. It also relieves stomach pain during menstrual periods. The heart beats are slowed down and the spinal nerves regenerated. Inhale, come back to the previous position, and then raise the head and relax. Sit down in Padmasana. And relax for some time. There were some of the really good asanas to get relief from stress and anxiety, panic attacks and depression. Now, as we all know, in today's world, depression is a severe problem in everyone's life. So now, for being in peace and to keep your body and mind calm, only yogasanas are not sufficient. Meditation plays a really important role. Okay, so preferably pranayam should be practiced on an empty stomach, but if this is difficult, a cup of milk or tea may be taken. So, number 1 is Ujjayi Pranayam. Forceful and strained inhalation or exhalation in this pranayam should be avoided. Now, sit in any comfortable position like Padmasana. Keep the back erect and rigid. Lower the head to the trunk. Rest the chin in the notch between the collarbones just above the breastbone. This is Jalandhara Bandha. Stretch the arms out straight and rest the back of the wrist on the knees. Join the tips of the index and middle fingers, keeping the other fingers extended. This position or gesture is known as Janana Mudra. Close the eyes and look inward. Exhale completely. Now the Ujjayi method of breathing begins. Take a slow, deep, steady breath through both the nostrils. The passage of the incoming air is felt on the roof of the palate and makes a sibilant sound. This sound should be heard. Fill the lungs up to the brim. Care should be taken not to bloat the abdomen in the process of inhalation. This filling up is called Purakha or inhalation. The entire abdominal area from the pubes up to the breastbone should be pulled up back towards the spine. Hold the breath for a second or two. This internal retention is called Anantara Kumbhaka. Exhale slowly and deeply until the lungs are completely empty. As you begin to exhale, keep your grip on the abdomen. After 2 or 3 seconds of exhalation, relax the diaphragm. And slowly, while exhaling, the passage of the outgoing air should be felt on the roof of the palate. The waiting period is called Bhaya Kumbhaka. Repeat the cycles for 5 to 10 minutes, keeping the eyes closed throughout. This type of pranayam aerates the lungs, removes spelgum, gives endurance, soothes the nerves and tones the entire system. Ujjayi without Kumbhaka done in a reclining position is ideal for persons suffering from high blood pressure or coronary troubles. Relax. Lie down in Shavasana and relax. Also, allow at least 6 hours to elapse after a meal before practicing pranayam, and also the bowels should be evacuated and the bladder emptied. Thank you so much.